This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for June 5th, 2020. Corn up 2 1/4, bean market steadied up 3, Chicago wheat down 8 1/2, Minneapolis down 7 1/2, Kansas City down 11. On the week, corn up 5 1/2, soybeans up 27, Chicago wheat down 5 1/2, Minneapolis down 6 1/4, Kansas City down 9 1/4. Really a week that we were hoping to get some extension and possibly activate some price counts. We have done that, and now we're really looking at this corn market off the July of potentially getting up into this 346, mid 350, and possibly up to 380 type levels. But for old crop, we really kind of want to focus in on that 350, 360 area of key importance here, at least on the initial onset, if we can get up and get going next week. A big close over 331 was important, and we got that today. As for the new crop corn, really looking at this 350, mid 350s, mid 360, and upwards of 384 as well there. And from there, really kind of that mid 360 up to 385, 4 or 385 are going to be the areas of importance as we work ahead, if we can get up and get going. So we've got one day. We'd love to see a second day on Monday, and that'll really be the dictator here as to whether we can get up and get going here. Bean market and wheat market both activated price counts and kind of settled in well this week, so we'll see how that carries through next week. A little bit weaker finish to the wheat market, but a little more moisture in the models as of Friday caused that sell pressure there. Feeder cattle down 55, live cattle on the day Friday down 182 1/2, hog market down 97 1/2. On the week, feeders down 117 1/2, live cattle down 582 1/2, and the hog market down 940. Feeder cattle, cash really firm, 128-ish, live cattle 110 to 114, live trade dressed at 178 to 190, so really a wide range there, or 173 to 190, excuse me. So really a wide trade there. Cutouts weaker on the week, big fallout there. But realistically, we're looking at that 95-45 gap area. If we fill that and start to break down to that range, it looks pretty ugly for the August cattle. If we can hold it together, maybe we just try to put this thing back together, but cattle kind of hovering in and going to be a big trade next week. Hog market, softish to start the week, but cutouts firm later, up $8 on the week. Index around $53. Slaughter pace at this point, we're still down about 200,000 head year over year for the hog side of things. Cattle slaughter, you're looking at down about 30,000 head year over year for this week. So as we come into next week, that's going to be a big focus. How much can we kind of close the gap on the slaughter pace, as well as what's the chart foundation. Stock market very strong here on Friday, and we'll see if this strong economic outlook from the numbers today can carry over and bring some buying interest to cattle. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great weekend. We'll see you Monday.